Salt Spring Island has a soul that you won't find anywhere else, where rugged coastal beauty meets absolute tranquility. And today, we're at a 7.5-acre oceanfront sanctuary in a class of its own. This 6,000 plus square foot timber frame masterpiece by Robert Langevin strikes the perfect balance between artisan craftsmanship and modern luxury. Whether you're winding your way through private old growth trails or exploring the Gulf Islands from your deepwater dock, life here is lived with intention. And from the marble-laden kitchen to panoramic sunrises over Mount Baker, this legacy property is designed for privacy and excellence. Welcome to the pinnacle of West Coast living at BrightWoods Estate.